Velas is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a fake instinct work DPoS blockchain biological system for interoperable and exceptionally versatile exchanges. Velas has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF crossover blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes surprisingly close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Velas used the upsides of blockchain innovation and instruments to make a straightforward, open-source, local area-driven decentralized environment. Thus, how about we begin with our Velas cost expectation? The fork of Solana with implanted EVM mix mainnet was sent off in 2020. Velas has worked with the arrangement in light of Solana alongside its extra highlights, and it is viable with EVM and guarantees adaptability to the stage. EVM permits Ethereum-based dApps and DeFi conventions to work flawlessly in Velas. Moreover, Velas additionally upholds all shrewd agreements based on the Ethereum blockchain. Velas Opportunity Project is an aid for engineers. They don't need to repay end charges while building the ventures. The ongoing cost of Velas is 23 cents, with a market cap of $541,802,226.67. We should dive more deeply into what Velas will be worth, alongside specialized examination and Velas cost forecast. What is VLX? The local badge of the Velas stage is called VLX. Utility coin is essentially utilized in three ways. First and foremost, for marking. Merchants can stake it and get compensations for block approval. For this situation, Velas utilize designated marking component. Stakers can appoint their token to the favored hub. There is no limit for designating the stake. At long last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like other cryptographic forms of money. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex and HIP-TC. Velas is prescribed to store the coin in Velas wallet. What are the upsides of utilizing Velas? Velas permits the client to assemble decentralized applications, savvy contracts upheld by speedy installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is small in examination with the rivals in the business. The biological system thinks about security, versatility, and interoperability as the primary worries. With Velas, purchasers can construct an application, run a validator hub, coordinate dApps from EVM, incorporate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the biological system's development. To be a piece of the cutthroat race in the blockchain business, Velas has declared a plenty of new undertakings which are exceptionally helpful for clients. Some of them incorporate Velas Pad, Bitorbit, and Velas Record. Velas account involves biometric confirmation of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. No requirement for discrete passwords. Velas account gives a 360-degree perspective on associated applications and meetings on all gadgets. Moreover, the connection point delivers simple relocation from incorporated to decentralized arrangements. Bitorbit, it is a decentralized online entertainment stage for records, talks, and content. Content engineers can adapt their work, and supporters can pay for it, and this dodges the intricacy of mediators' inclusion. Velas Vault. Clients can assign secret key security and keys to the division calculation utilizing Velas Vault. The data will be conveyed over the organization, and above all, it won't be accessible to any of its members. In the backend, it has different systems to safeguard information protection. In any case, the framework liberates the client from the dependable worries of information security by assuming a sense of ownership with its high-level component. Purchasers will help in the accompanying ways, putting away their advanced resources with various kinds of approvals and getting and putting away passwords from different administrations through Velas Record approvals. VLX Specialized Investigation. Prior to the land disaster, when digital currency costs used to address, financial backers accepted it as a purchasing a valuable open door. Nonetheless, presently the trust of financial backers in digital money has been shaken. Financial backers are currently more urgent prior to purchasing computerized resources, even at lower costs. The worldwide cryptographic money market hit $819,102,880,893, unfurling very much a development. The complete crypto market volume has contacted $133.48 billion. Crypto devotees and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary security of the countries. The ongoing cost of Velas VLX is 2 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $644,475. The coin's market capitalization is $49,822,350, with a flowing stockpile of 2,396,688,899 VLX. The most exorbitant cost at which the coin exchanged was 57 cents, which was on November 4, 2021. An everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Velas cost has been persistently amending for over 90 days, and there are not many expectations that it will recuperate at any point in the near future. Because of the ceaseless fall in VLX cost, which has occurred with pretty much every token, financial backers lose revenue inputting and witness a gigantic pullback in Velas cost levels. Velas is at present taking help close to $0. Velas cost today is 2 cents, and there is a high opportunity the help level may not be maintained. Quick opposition for Velas VLX coin is set at 15 cents. And any transcend this is supposed to take Velas to 24 cents. Significant opposition is set at 31 cents over the reach. Velas can be anticipated as a productive venture for the present moment. Then again, on the off chance that the cost of Velas neglects to return from the quick help of $0, then a Velas VLX cost can collide with $0. Significant help at $0. VLX coin value expectation 2023. Velas lovers can expect a beginning at a typical cost of 4 cents and a base cost of 2 cents according to our Velas cost figure. The VLX estimate predicts the Velas cost will contact 5 cents around mid-year, and the most extreme worth expected for the year is 4 cents. By 2023, according to our Velas coin figure, it will break the record of an unsurpassed high and will be moving to new highs. VLX crypto value expectation 2024. VLX crypto conjecture predicts a start of 4 cents in January 2024. Velas cost expectations show it will break 4 cents by July 2024. Velas conjecture information implies that a greatest anticipated reach would be 5 cents, another expansion to the coin esteem. Crypto darlings can put resources into the medium term in the coin. Velas value forecast 2025. In view of our VLX coin conjecture, Velas future appears to be bullish in 2025. The year will begin at 6 cents. The Velas crypto cost conjecture proposes the worth will arrive at a greatest worth of 7 cents in the year. VLX cost expectation 2025 proposes that Velas merits putting resources into. Velas value expectation 2026. According to our Velas cost figure, interest in Velas will give critical returns as the cost change will be very high for the year. The most extreme cost is expected to be 9 cents, with a normal and least cost of 9 cents and 8 cents, separately. Velas value forecast 2027. During the last part of the year, it is anticipated that the cost might exchange close 10 cents, and the greatest future cost expected is 15 cents. The base cost is normal at $0. Subsequently, the year's typical cost is 8 cents territory just in view of our Velas cost conjecture. Velas value forecast 2028. As per our Velas cost forecast, the coin is supposed to exchange at a normal of 15 cents in the year 2028, while the base and most extreme costs might be around 13 cents and 17 cents. Separately, Velas value expectation 2029. In light of the past presentation of the coin, it might have a most extreme worth of 21 cents for the year 2029, while the base and normal costs might be around 19 cents and 20 cents. Separately, Velas value forecast 2030. Constantly 2030, the Velas might have least, normal, and greatest costs of 25 cents, 30 cents, and 35 cents separately.